Hi all, today we are going to see symmetric key algorithm. This rely on a shared secret encryption key that is distributed to all members who participate in the communication. This cryptography can also be called as secret key cryptography and private key cryptography. In this algorithm, the sender encrypts the plain text message with the secret key and produces the ciphertext message and send it to the receiver. The receiver decrypts the ciphertext with the same secret key and produces the plain text. What is ephemeral key? In some cases, symmetric cryptography may be used with temporary key that exists only for a single session. In those cases, the secret key is known as ephemeral key. For example, transport layer security protocol. First, it uses asymmetric key cryptography to create an encrypted channel. Then it switches to symmetric cryptography using a ephemeral key, one-time key for transferring the data for that session alone. Symmetric key cryptography has several weaknesses. Let's see one by one. In this algorithm, key distribution is a major problem. Parties must have a secure method of exchanging the secret key before establishing communication with a symmetric key protocol. If a secure electronic channel is not available, an offline key distribution method must often be used, which is out of band exchange. As I said earlier, it can provide only confidentiality. Symmetric cryptography does not implement non-repudiation because any communicating party can encrypt and decrypt message with the shared secret key. There is no way to prove where a given message originated. This algorithm is not scalable. It is extremely difficult for large group to communicate using symmetric key cryptography. Secure private communication between individual in the group could be achieved only if each possible combination of users shared a private key. In this algorithm, key must be regenerated often. Each time a participant leaves the group, all keys known by that participant must be discarded. In automated encryption system, keys may be regenerated based on the length of time that has passed, the amount of data it exchanged, or the fact that a session goes idle or is terminated. The major strength of this algorithm is great speed. This symmetric key encryption is very fast, often 1000 to 10,000 times greater than other algorithm like asymmetric algorithm. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe, like and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye.